Buddy the seal. Oh, and he's just ducking under. Here we are in beautiful Port Browning and having breakfast. It's now Monday morning on the May long weekend. Chloe's just hunkered down next to Mummy. And of course we've had a beautiful night on board, a wonderful sleep, as can be seen by our messy cabin. Just made the coffee, and dirty breakfast dishes and everything abound. And same with my messy nav console. We'll be getting ready to go about 10 or 11 this morning with Alyeska in consort. And we had our wonderful first trip in our boat for 2015. Our little dinghy. Might go for a little row for check out the area first before we take off. And up there you can see in the distance is the office and the pub at Port Browning, which is a really fun place. They have good live music on Saturday nights. Of course we weren't here Saturday night, but the folks we came with were, and they said they had a wonderful time. So, thanks for enjoying our short little trip with us, and we'll catch you on the flip-flop.
You are.
I'm pretty ready. I'm pretty ready. Are you ready to set sail?
A selfie stick.
A selfie stick, so I can be in my own videos.
I saw them on TV. I should have known you'd be getting one.
Actually, I got it from a friend. He gave it to me when we were on that trip in Mexico. And there's Rachel over there. Hey Rachel. Did you have a good weekend? Awesome. And there's the little dinghy set up, which is kind of cool. And the boat is ready to depart with our little VHF mast up, and we're ready to go. And the beauty of this thing is I can sneak it into different spots. Down below. What is going on down below? With my little selfie stick. And there we've got the dinghy all set up, ready to depart. We've got the tunes on. And it's a beautiful day. I don't want to leave, but we got to. And there's the last view of the pub and office, marina office. With all the other shippies mostly clearing out. You can see the place is almost emptied out now. And we've got a couple of people coming and going here. And fire alarms going up on the island. See you when we get home. And I never got a shot of Cheryl up there. We got to get the vice captain of the ship, or the co-captain, I should say. The co-captain, or the captain, on beautiful Alyeska. And there we are, ready to depart. So should we flash up soon?
Yep.
Okay, we're flashing up. There's my lovely wife actually at the helm.
Go into those big waves.
And little puppy. We're just going to go into their wake and we'll be ready to go. Straight ahead, that's the entrance to Victoria Harbor right there. Beautiful spot, and of course Ogden Point breakwater. And Esquimalt over there. So here we are in lovely Work Point Marina. This is our new home for a long time to come, only because it's inexpensive, get military rates, and it costs about $500 a year instead of about $500 a month that I was paying last year at the Cherry Point Marina. So here you go, right in the inner harbor of Victoria, so it's a good jumping off point to see all kinds of sights. You can see the airplane in the distance there. It's right on the busy harbor front, so for tourism, people that come and visit, we can take you and show you all kinds of cool things in Victoria right from here. So it's on the military base, Work Point. You can see the clubhouse in the background there, and the Naval Officer School in the background as well. So welcome, and you'll see lots more videos to come, I'm sure. And of course, there's my disinterested son Jake, who's helped us come alongside today, and my lovely wife Liz. Thanks for watching.